Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Unbeaten React. Welcome to this channel. I'm your host Namu and welcome here. Today we're gonna be reacting to a different video, a collaboration. It is the Melanesia project featuring Dreamcatcher, Into It and Alexa. Now these are Dreamcatcher is a girl group, Into It is a boy group, and Alexa is a female soloist who became really famous last year for her debut Bomb and her comeback Do or Die. Alexa was arguably last year's one of the best solo debut after I think Somi, but she is really powerful and really amazing. She can sing and dance really good. Dreamcatcher is a girl group who are sadly a bit underrated. I feel like they don't get as much love, but they're really amazing. I first fell in love with Dreamcatcher because of their song Piri and their this dance cover.
경배하라 목청이 터지게 Yo! 지질한 몸 위기를 전환해 광기를 감추지 못하게 해 여자들의 봄윙 남자들의 가식 이유모를 자신감이 불만해 난 보란 듯이 너무나도 뻔뻔히 네 몸속을 파고드는 알러지 이상한 정신의 수렁이는 천지 오늘 여기 무법지.
Yeah, they literally covered Big Bang's Bang 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 at an some festival, I don't know, but it was really amazing, especially the rap part. If you want to check that out, I'll leave the link below or above. You can click it here. It's amazing. And about Into It, I really don't know. I've never heard of Into It, but tell me if you want me to check out to their videos or songs. Tell me if you want me to react to them. Comment down below. Also, please make sure to like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I post reaction videos almost every day. May is gonna be a super lit month for K-pop because there is so many new stuff coming. I recently read a Billboard article regarding K-pop in May, and it's super jam-packed and I'm really excited. So, but right now we're checking out Alexa, Dreamcatcher and Into It, the Melanesia project, and the song's name is Be the Future. Now I don't know what the Melanesia project is. Wait, I'm just gonna check it. Okay, so Melanesia project is it's actually a UNESCO Global Education Coalition project for regarding the COVID-19 and regarding its spread and how to stop that. Wow, that's really cool. And these three groups are participating in it. So I'll just read this. This special album, Be the Future, is also giving back to the society project, as the proceeds from the sale of this album will be donated to the COVID fund set up by UNESCO. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let go. Too loud. Okay, not so long ago in a neighborhood. Okay, they're playing ball. The girls are also playing ball. They're playing some hand game. They're gossiping. They're playing basketball. Wait. Is this gonna be in English completely? It might be, because Alexa is actually from America. She's an American Korean, so she knows English. The others might have been made to sing in English. I don't know. That's Alexa. Okay, it's completely about COVID-19. It's okay. Yeah, you should follow all this. Okay. I hope there's a rapper. It would be really funny if there's a rapper. Okay, that's Korean. There is Korean, okay. Actually, the melody is really good. The lyrics are funny, obviously, for a song. But since this is like an project regarding spreading awareness, the lyrics are fine. They're not too cringy, but the tune and the melody is really good. I feel like it's really a poppy song. Oh my god, that is damn, no way. That is funny. Oh god. So, yeah, just dab, guys. Just dab. I'm sorry, I know this is a serious topic, and I know all of you and everyone should follow everything guidelined in this video or through this song. But I always feel like when they do these commercials on TV also regarding this, but they make songs regarding it. It's really funny because the song is really poppy for something so serious. And I know that goes both ways. First of all, if people like work and do this safely and work everything according to the rules and regulations set up, then it need not be so serious. But the song is pretty funny too. Yeah, wear mask, wash your hands with soap, put your mask on. Is that? What was that?
Hi everyone, we are Alexa. We're very proud to join UNESCO's Global Education Coalition. Now, more than ever, we must shine a light on the world.
Okay, so that's the end of the song. If you want to check out the message and I think the message and the credits and all regarding UNESCO, you can check the video out yourself. I'll keep the link above and in the description below, of course. It was a nice song, but it was a funny song. Okay, yeah, whatever. I was just checking the comments. There's some funny stuff in the comments as well. Anyway, that was the Melanesia project Be the Future featuring Dreamcatcher, Alexa and Intuit. It's a good song, it's a good melody. The lyrics are obviously regarding the COVID-19 and being safe and being healthy and taking precautions and following guidelines, and all of you should do that. Don't forget to wash your hands, don't forget to use sanitizer, don't forget to wear masks. But it's a good song. I have nothing else to say. Thank you guys for watching. Tell me what to react to next. I have a few suggestions. First of all, it's a bit later. I think it's 18th May or something. But Gongmin-ji from 21, the legendary 21, she's coming back. Then who else is coming back? I just forgot. I think Gravity is coming back sometimes. I don't know. Tell me what you want me to check out next. Comment down below. I'll put a schedule as the comebacks are gonna happen, and I'll react to them as they drop out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, please subscribe, leave your comments down below, follow all of these guidelines through this song, and enjoy, stay quarantined. And unless if you're told to, in India we are compulsion to quarantine, at least in my city. So if you're forced to quarantine, please follow that. Please follow your government and whatever health, societal, management people. Anyway, and bye bye, peace.